Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make something new which we have never done on this channel, which are these cute ear cuffs. They look so stylish and trendy, and they're very lightweight and easy to wear. I'll show you how to wear them. Just you have to put inside this wire over here, and then this, and you just have to press this part. So this is how it looks. And this one is the one I had worn. So they are very easy to and they are very easy to make also. You can make them in few minutes. And yeah, and they are very trendy nowadays. So that's why I decided to have a tutorial of the same. So I have made them in few colors like pink, green, blue, and this purple. But you can make them in other colors, pink, red, and any other design that you want to, and keep on experimenting with the same. So I hope that you love this tutorial and will definitely try to make these ear cuffs at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do hit that subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll make this green one. For that I already had a green covered fabric like this. And then we will just add one basic charm. I have taken this elephant charm over here and I used the fabric glue. You can use the B6000 glue or Fevibond glue also. So we will see the position of the elephants. Like I will keep them facing each other, not to cross each other. And then I'll flip this upward, and then we'll add this 18 gauge wire. So again I'll add the fabric glue over here of a straight line, and then we'll see that how much line I had left for the first earring. And then we'll keep the position of the wire like this. And once this get dried guys, I'll add the back finishing fabric to this, and then we'll do the further work. So you can see this has dried up, and then I had also added the back finishing fabric to this. Now we just have to knot it like this. So just press it, and with the help of plier you just have to make a little curve so that it will fit properly. So that's it. With this, or this cute ear cuffs are ready. Then again I have one design in like half circle, and with this golden base we will add the charms to this. So I have taken this Devi charms, and we will add approx 5 charms with the help of Fevibond glue again. So I will add the charms till like this. Like I'll add 5 charms to this, and then once this get dry, with the help of B6000 glue or any fabric glue you can take, we will add the back finishing fabric also. So while adding the charm, I added this wire, and then we'll cover this with the back finishing fabric. So I'll take the same colored fabric, and then now we will just again to enhance it looks, we will add this line of golden beads chain. So I'll add the B6000 glue to add the beads to the charm, because we are not adding this to the fabric, so I'm not using the fabric glue for the same. Then I'll take this 5 mm golden bead, and over here also again I'll add some glue over here, because I had faced the problem of these beads coming out. So a little glue I'll apply to the fabric and then to the beads, so that the beads will stay over here. Then again I used my fingers to mold this wire, and again with the help of plier I'll mold the end. So you just have to mold a little, or you can also make a round like jalebi type design also. So that's it. With this, or this other pair of curves are ready. Again I have taken one half circle, but we'll do the some other design. So like we will decorate the curve part. So for that I have taken this pearl laurels, and with the help of Fevibond glue, fabric glue, we have to attach it like this. And again I have repeated the same process of adding the wire and base. Then I'll take this small jhumka cap and I'll add the 5 mm pearl and again the jhumka cap, and now I'll add this zero size golden bead, uh, and again we will add the intact this with the glue, or because I had faced the problem of these beads coming out, so I'll just attach the glue over here, and this one we will keep down, and um, we will again mold this with the help of finger, and now I'll make a round here over here, so you can make a kind of chakli or jalebi type shape also over here to just enhance the look, or I'll just make a simple mold. That's it. And that's it with this, or this third pair of earrings are too ready. And the last but not the least, for this we will have to make a little preparation. So I have taken one long wire first, then we will add one oxidized bead in that. You can add any oxidized bead, any design of oxidized bead. Then I'm going to add this lock bead over here, so that this will get locked. The golden zero size golden bead won't match over here because this texture and colors are different. That's why I'm using lock bead. So I will measure how much I had kept for first one, and over here I will press the lock bead, and with this we have done this, and now we'll add the base over here. So for that, first I'll add the B6000 glue, and then we'll keep the wire over here, and then we'll wait for this to get dry. So this has been dried up, and I added the back finishing fabric too. Now again we will add one similar oxidized bead, and then one lock bead to this, and then press the lock bead tightly, and on this round base we will add one little white colored kundan over here. So again we have to repeat the process of making this making the curve of the wire, and over here I'll add the white kundan. So you can add any other bead or a flat half pearl also, like it's totally up to you. I thought that this will enhance the look more, so I added this. So that's it. With this, all these cute ear cuffs are ready. Ta-da! If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.